Okay. Yeah. I opened it.
Hadith number 4158. Let me show you on camera. 4158. Narrator Abu Huraira. Updated Al-Albani. Source Sahih Abi Dawood. Ruling of the Hadith Sahih.
Which website is that? Can I see?
Durar.net. Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah website. Do you know him? Come read here. Read here.
I'm not sure about that website. Like, I haven't seen it.
Do you speaking Arabic?
No, I don't speak Arabic. But
That is your problem. This is your scholars Arabic website in Arabic language. I just use Prophet Google, peace be upon him.
Scholar or something? Like, were you a scholar?
I'm a scholar. With me because I debate with more than 5 scholars. Go to my YouTube channel. Let me show you the scholars I debate him, and literally I teach them. This is my YouTube channel. Go check. I debate 5 scholars. Let me respond. Have a patience. Okay.
Sure.
You ask me, are you a scholar? Yes, I'm a scholar. I debate 5 scholars. For example, one of them, the leader of Islamic Center in Washington, the highest one of scholars in Islamic Center in Washington. You will see the video debating in my YouTube channel. And the other 4 doing a program on TV, Islamic TV. Deal? So now come back to my question.
Yeah.
There you go. Come read the hadith.
Show me the hadith, please.
Yes. Go ahead, Habibi. Jibreel, peace be upon him, came to me.
I came to you yesterday, and nothing prevented me from entering except, you're on, that there were statues on the door. There was a curtain in the house with statues in it, and there was a dog in the house. So pass by the head of the statue that is in the house. Wait, is this how do you it doesn't say this is Hazrat Prophet Muhammad's house. Like, I heard
he came to him to where? He came to him to where? To street?
Yeah, came to him, it said. It doesn't say
usually Jibreel, he came to the Muhammad where? In the street? In a cave?
He can come to him anywhere, but
okay. After we finish this, I will prove it to you from Muhammad tongue, from Aisha tongue, that is in Muhammad Aisha room. Okay?
No, but now it doesn't say that this is talking about.
Read the hadith now.
It doesn't say about.
Hello. So he said, Jibreel, peace be upon him, came to me and said to me, I came to you yesterday.
Yeah.
I came to you yesterday. And nothing prevented me for entering. So he came to him today and he came to him yesterday. Where? Do you think Muhammad used to be living in a street 2 days? Or living in a cave, doesn't have a house? Or he's homeless? Huh? Come back from Mecca, please. Use other device to Google it, no problem. But come back from Mecca. We miss you, man. We miss you. We miss you, man. Come back from Mecca. Peace be upon you. Yes, finally he came back. So now, do you saying Muhammad used to be living 2 days in the street, homeless?
Not in streets, but he used to go up to
visitor. Visitor, for example. Visitor, for example.
What do you mean visitor, for example? Like he used to visit someone, for
So
example?
because you trying to say Jibril came to him in other house, in other place, not in his room.
He probably went to, like, I don't know, like, but why would the Prophet have statues? Like, that doesn't make sense. Even
That is
think
my.
for yourself.
Do you know why? Come to tell you why. Because he's a pagan.
Why
Open
would he
with me
preach
Sahih
about?
al-Bukhari. Open
Why
with
would
me
he,
Sahih al-Bukhari. Mister,
bro?
you said why? You want to
Yeah,
understand why Muhammad used to have a statue, right?
but bro, that doesn't make sense. He went to preach wahdaniyya,
Because he's a pagan.
like
How does it make
tawheed.
sense? What is this? Wait, Ard al-Asli. What is
What's the
this?
shahada? What's the shahada? The first shahada.
شهادة أشهد أن لا إله إلا المسيح وحده لا شريك
Yeah,
له وأن
yeah,
محمد عبد
that's
الشيطان.
yeah, that's where you mess up. See, it doesn't
You
make
got it?
sense.
You got it, my Shahada? Mess up? Do you want me to take
That's
the devil Shahada? Come on, bro.
that's your
Do you want me to
that's your
take the
shahada.
devil Shahada?
That's your
Do you want me to
shahada.
take the devil Shahada? Can you tell me what the Lord of Prayers is?
What? No, no.
Do you want me to take the devil Shahada? Do you want me to prove it? The devil is God? Do you want
You
me to
can go
prove it the
ahead with
devil is
that,
God? Because you're Allah's
bro.
devil. How can I take his Shahada? I didn't see him. Where is the witness? And you said in English, I bear witness. Did you see your Allah? How can you be witness
Bro,
if you didn't see it? Shahada meaning witness.
yeah, but there's faith. Do
So
you not know
don't
iman?
play that game
Iman.
with me. I never take the devil Shahada.
Okay, fine.
I will
That's up
give
to
you
you.
example. Yes. I will give you
Eh, eh,
example. Yes. But I never
Okay, can I
take
speak?
the devil Shahada. Okay? So come back
Can I
now.
speak? Can I speak?
Now what is this? What is this?
Bro, you're not letting me speak.
Sahih al-Bukhari. No, you ask a question. Why Muhammad used to have a statue? That is my question.
No. Okay, that's your question. Let me answer. That doesn't make sense. Why would he? If the shahada, the basis of Islam, is one God, like that doesn't
What?
make any sense. Like
What?
the
Where is
basis
one
of
God in
Islam,
Shahada? Wait. Where is the one God in Shahada? You
la
guys
ilaha
saying,
illallah,
I bear
la
well,
ilaha
no,
illallah.
stop. No, that is not Shahada. That is not Shahada. Shahada Ashhadu.
Bro, there's no point in
Shahada
talking to me.
Ashhadu. Shahada Ashhadu. Ashhadu. That is Shahada. You bear witness. Don't lie
What
here.
does that mean?
Don't
What
lie
does that
here.
mean?
I
Bro, there's
bear
no point.
witness
It's like talking
there
to a
is
wall.
no God but Jesus Christ. And I bear witness there is no pagan Muhammad a prophet, only Paul, peace be upon him. Boom. Do you want me to take
I don't.
the shaitan shahada?
I don't think you have the
Come back to my
courage to say
question
that in
now.
front of a single person in real life. That's
Come,
like you can just.
send anyone to me. He has a knowledge. Okay?
You're in Canada, right?
4599. Look here.
You're,
Uh-huh. Wait,
you're in
wait, wait,
Canada, right?
wait.
Can we meet up?
Yes, I'm a Canadian. Yes. How about you?
Yeah, but can we meet up? Yeah, I'm Canadian. Can we meet up?
Yes, where?
Whereabout do you live? Like which city?
Where do you live? I'm in Toronto. Tell me.
Oh, I live in London, a bit
London,
south.
Ontario?
Yeah.
So far, man. How many hours? 2 hours? Two or
2 hours.
three, two
2 hours.
and a
Yeah,
half?
I can come to you. I can come to you.
Yeah, come to
2
downtown.
hours. 2 hours.
Yeah, come to downtown.
Yeah,
Before you came,
DM me your
I want you
location.
to read
Yeah.
now this hadith before we mess up.
No. Sure. I'll read that. But like, from here, you're just threatening to mute me. Just like take me off. There's no point. Like, I want to talk face to face, have a full conversation like real men, not like threatening to like, okay, I don't want you to talk.
Open your camera and show us your face so he can recognize you when he meet up with you. Show
Yes.
us your
Yeah,
face.
Come
it's
show me your
nighttime right
face.
now.
Come.
It's nighttime. It's 1 in the night.
Yalla, brother, yalla.
Show us your face.
I'm showing my face. It's 1:30.
My
Yalla.
face, you can see my face on my account. My face is there. There's no point in hiding my
Okay,
face. My face
guys,
is
can
there.
you go to his account mode? Can you go to his account, take screenshot for his face and send it to me on private?
Yeah, sure. Go
I
ahead.
got
You can
Brad
check
Pitt
my
picture in my.
account.
Open your camera and show us your face. Come
My
on.
face is on my account. I don't need to
Yalla,
be
yalla,
accounted.
quickly.
My face is on my account. I don't need
Open your camera. Open your camera. Be a man.
Yalla DT. There is no
Be
face in
a
your
man.
account. Why you
Yalla.
lie? There is no face in your account.
What do you mean there's
Why
no
you
face
lie?
on my account? What do you mean there's
Why you lie?
What do you mean there's no face on my account?
There is no face on your
Look,
account.
they open the camera.
Yeah, open the account. There's posts on it.
Yalla, yalla,
Can you not
open
see
your
them?
face. Open your camera. Open your camera. Yeah.
What
Yalla,
are you,
yalla, pretty.
like, how old are you? Like, why
Yalla.
are you acting like a 2-year-old?
You want to be a man and come to downtown. Show us your face.
See
Yalla.
you in fire with Allah's snake.
I come and meet up with you. Look, you can't open your camera and show your face. You don't have balls to do it. You want to meet up with a man? You want to meet up?
Brother.
Go on balls first.
You wanna meet up? Man, 24 hours I'm in downtown. I found one
Yeah,
beautiful
man.
hadith, guys. Let me show you this beautiful hadith before I pass. Before I pass, guys, this is from Al-Musannaf from Ibn Abi Shaybah, part 4, page 49. Look here. Abu Bakr, the father of Aisha, Abu Bakr, told us, Abdul Karim al-Yami, on the authority of Ammar bin Imran, a man from Zayd Allah, on the authority of a woman, one of them, on the authority of Aisha, was that she saw a mite and went around with her and said, perhaps we will hunt the youths of Quraysh with her. Boom.
Aisha the hunter. She's the hunter.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. And not only that, she dressed up the maid. الجارية. Maid. Okay? She dressed her up and she put makeup on her and she gave her a brand new dress and she said, let's go and hunt the young man of Quraysh. The studs of Quraysh.
Wow.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
hunting.
Beautiful. Hunting uses of Quraysh. Boom. Of Quraysh. Boom.
Use يعني شباب.
لا هذا الغبي قال بده يعني أن تقرأ الشهادة الصلامية الإرهابية.
حيوان.